If you're like most retirees, you're probably worried about the impact of inflation on your savings. With inflation eroding purchasing power, many people are searching for the best way to protect their wealth. So, in the battle of gold versus stocks, which is the better hedge against inflation? By the end of this video, you'll have the insights you need to make a more informed decision about how to protect your wealth during uncertain economic times. Let's dive in. Historically, stocks are often seen as a solid long-term investment for growing wealth. But when it comes to protecting that wealth during inflationary periods, gold is often the superior choice. Gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries, especially in times of economic instability. It's a tangible asset that holds intrinsic value and tends to rise when the value of fiat currencies like the dollar falls. This is why gold is often considered the ultimate hedge against inflation. Now, stocks can be a good long-term growth strategy, but when inflation spikes, the stock market can be volatile and prices can crash. While some sectors, like technology or consumer goods, may do well during inflationary periods, the overall market tends to be affected negatively. As companies face higher input costs and consumers cut back on spending, profits can shrink and stocks can underperform. For retirees looking for stability, relying on stocks alone as a hedge against inflation can be risky. On the other hand, gold is less influenced by short-term market movements. As a physical asset, gold doesn't rely on the performance of companies or industries. Instead, its value is driven by its demand as a safe haven investment during uncertain times. This makes it a more reliable hedge against inflation, especially for people looking to protect their wealth rather than gamble on growth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, it's worth considering how adding gold to your portfolio might offer some peace of mind. If you're thinking about getting into gold as a hedge against inflation, one of the best ways to do that is through a gold IRA. This allows you to invest in physical gold within a tax-advantaged retirement account. You can move a portion of your 401k or IRA savings into gold without triggering tax penalties, which is a great way to diversify and secure your retirement savings. Thousands of Americans are already opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, and you can learn more by clicking the first link in the description below for a free gold IRA guide. Now let's talk about how these two options compare. While stocks can bring higher returns over the long term, the unpredictable nature of the stock market during inflationary periods often makes it a poor short-term hedge. Gold, however, tends to hold its value over time, and when inflation hits, it typically increases in price. This makes gold a much safer bet if you want to preserve the purchasing power of your savings. Another point to consider is the correlation between gold and the dollar. When inflation rises, the dollar weakens, and this is when gold shines. As the value of the dollar decreases, gold becomes more expensive in dollar terms. This dynamic makes gold a solid choice for anyone looking to safeguard their wealth, especially American retirees who need stability and security in their retirement savings. If you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M Plus in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect solution for you. It's a smart way to protect your wealth and diversify your portfolio, ensuring that you have a buffer against inflation. In summary, while stocks may offer growth opportunities, they're not the best choice for hedging against inflation. Gold, on the other hand, provides a stable, reliable way to protect your wealth during times of economic uncertainty. If you want to learn more about how to protect your retirement savings, make sure to click the first link in the description below and get your free gold IRA guide. For retirees looking to safeguard their wealth, especially those with significant savings, gold IRAs offer a perfect solution. It's a simple, effective way to ensure your wealth holds its value through inflationary periods. Don't wait. Secure your retirement today